Wow, is that an AP Statistics textbook? Legend says that if you rub an AP Statistics textbook, that an AP Statistics genie will come out of it. Let's give her a rub. Rub, rub, rub. Wow! An AP Statistics genie.
What is your question, young one?
I happen to be doing a one sample Z test.
Well, do you have your population standard deviation?
No.
If you don't have the population standard deviation, then a T, not a Z, will be the thing of your creation. It's assumed to be true that your stated null hypothesis isn't wrong, just as long as you know you can spot in this. You define context in mind, or you'll never finish your inference in enough time. Random combination that's selected from a group has to have an equal chance to be chosen to be used. In experimental setups, you might want to use placebo, but you still gotta make all combination chances equal. Normal. If you got a lot of data, over 30 test subjects, central limit theorem makes you kinda normal, unless you don't got a bunch of numbers in your set of data. Then you gotta draw a histogram of each set of strata data. Independent test, you gotta get the 10% condition to make the variance like a sample with replacement. Once you confirm the samples under 10%, then it's safe to assume the independence complement. Confirming these three conditions will make it safe to proceed to find the p-value for a theta sample mean. T equals x bar subtracted from u naught, then you put it over standard error right on the spot. Once you get the t statistic, shade the normal curve. If you don't draw a curve,
you fool. That's
find the if you take the data points and subtract 1. If you remember it's not minus 2, then you should have some fun. To find p-value, get the df and t statistic. It's a simple task, master rows and just not go ballistic. If your p-value is lower than this, then it's time to reject the null hypothesis.
I think I get what you're saying. So, do you mean...
Mean machine, mean machine. I'm a statistical mean machine. Mean machine, mean machine. Without means this won't work. Give me the means. I need the means. I smell the means. I need all the means to be part. I need the means. I breathe the means. I smell the means. I need all the means to be part. They call me the mean machine. I hold the means, I drop the means. I eat the means, I ship the means. Without means, it won't work. Inhale the means, exhale the means. Inject the means into our stats book. There are large means, there are small means. Why are we so average?
Again. What? Alright, try it again. Wow! Magical AP Statistics genie. That's amazing and incongruous. That's amazing and incongruous.
That's not even a word.
That's amazing and physically impossible. You broke multiple of Newton's laws.
Alright, go.
Gather your data. Fill up your sample.
Alright.